Stay one more night. Don't you know that my love is true? Let's make things right. I understand what you're going through.
Hey guys, today I just wanted to do a fun realistic makeup tutorial look. As you can tell already right now, looking at my skin, you can tell that it's very uneven and I have dark spots, blemishes. I have acne scars left over from when I had really bad acne a couple of years back, but this is by far the best my skin has ever been. And I also try to use all organic or natural makeup, so that has helped my skin heal a lot too, and I try to use a whole lot less makeup too. So the first thing I'm going to apply is some moisturizer, and it's just from the Honest Company, their Healing Balm. And then I'm going to apply some foundation. This foundation is not my favorite, but it's the only foundation I have, and since I hardly ever use foundation, I just use it every once in a while. And the reason it's not my favorite is because it does dry out my skin if I use it too often. I just wanted to say also that I am by no means a professional with makeup. I probably don't even know what I'm doing half the time, and probably professional makeup artists are going to be watching this and just cringing at what I'm doing, but this is what I do, so... I'm going to go in with my concealer now and just apply it to any blemishes I have, and also on any dark spots that are still healing from the pimples that I have. And I also put it in my pores, like on my cheeks, because my pores are kind of big, plus there's scarring on my cheeks too from acne. So I kind of just rub it in sometimes to get a little bit more coverage there, and it kind of like sinks into my pores, which probably isn't the best, but that's what I do. I also forgot to say earlier is not all the spots that you see on my face are dark spots. I actually have a lot of freckles. Some people say I don't have a lot of freckles, but trust me, when I look at my face and I'm applying makeup, I can see the freckles. But I have quite a few on my nose and on my forehead. So yeah, all of it's not dark spots. There is quite a few freckles in there because most of my dark spots have healed. Now I'm going to apply my mascara. This is my favorite mascara from 100% Pure. I absolutely love their mascara. I don't know if I forgot if this is the black tea one or the dark chocolate one, but I love both of them. I also apply mascara twice, so you're going to see me apply it now and again later. I also, when I put mascara on, I just kind of brush it wherever, and it always gets on my eyelids, but I clean that off later with some Q-tips, so don't worry. So this bronzer that I'm going to use up next, it's not a bronzer, it's actually a foundation, just in a darker shade than what my skin is, in the shade Toffee. I watched a lady on YouTube use this instead of bronzer because bronzer always has like that shimmery stuff in it, and so this gives it more of a natural look to it without it being all shiny.
My weakness comes and goes. I'm reaching out for the easy high. Please fortify this strength of mine. My weakness comes and goes. My weakness comes and goes. Close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll go. Finding life along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays.